Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class trigonometry. Solve 3 by cos square x is equal to 4 by cot square x, where 0 degrees is less than or equal to x, less than 2 pi. Here we have this one. To solve this, we have to find out the value of x. But here cos square x and here cot square x. We have to convert this cos square x into cot square x, or cot square x into cos square x, or both into sin square x, like that. So now, after cross multiplication, 3 cot square x is equal to 4 cos square x. Now 3 and cot x is nothing but cos x by sin x. So we write cos square x by sin square x, and this is 4x square x by 1. Cross multiplication. 3 cos square x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin square x. Now this is 3 cos square x is equal to 4 cos square x is as it is, and instead of sin square x we write 1 minus cos square x. We have a formula identity: sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So we write 1 minus cos square x in place of sin square x. Now all these are in terms of cos. Now 3 cos square x is equal to 4 cos square x into 1. 4 cos square x plus into minus minus. 4 cos square x into cos square x is minus 4 cos to the power of 4x. Now minus 4 cos to the power of 4x becomes plus 4 cos to the power of 4x. After coming to the left hand side, this 3 cos square x is as it is, and this plus 4 cos square x becomes minus 4 cos square x after coming to the left hand side is equal to 0. Now this is 4 cos to the power of 4x, and these two becomes minus cos square x is equal to 0. Now here we have cos square x common, and 4 cos to the power of 4x by cos square x is 4 cos square x, minus cos square x by cos square x is minus 1 is equal to 0. Either this one equal to 0 or this one equal to 0. Then cos square x is equal to 0, 4 cos square x is equal to 1, and cos x is equal to cos 90. We have cos 90 equal to 0 here. Then x is equal to 90. Now cos square x is equal to 1 by 4. Square root of this one, cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos x is nothing but cos 60. Since cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now x is equal to 60. X is equal to 90 degrees or x is equal to 60 degrees. Answer.